What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Apple REIT stock, and we're not talking about Apple the tech company. We're talking about a real estate investment trust. Now this company is at $15.10, and it has actually almost gone all the way up to where it previously was before the pandemic. Now I myself do own shares of this company, and I believe this is a strong company to buy into for the long run. As you can see, everyone in the news is saying that it is overvalued and that it is basically in the overbought sector right now. Now, if you want to add more to your positions, I would hold out a little bit on buying positions. It's at such a high price at the moment. Because you could have picked this up for around $4.50 not even 6 months ago. So 44% of analysts out of the 9 analysts are saying it's a buy rating, a strong buy, and then 11% are saying it's a buy. As you can see, that a high price target of around 19, and then their support and resistance line is gradually going up. As you can see, they're paying about 1 cent per share at the moment. And some insider activity, this guy named Justin Knight bought 9,400 shares on September 16th. They got their EPS right here. It looks like it's going to be estimated to be in the negatives. ROE is also in the negatives at the moment, so I would definitely wait for this to bounce back. I would not buy into this company right now at the moment, and I would wait to maybe see a pullback to maybe, I want to say roughly $8 to $12. So just so you guys know, they definitely have a lot of total assets compared to their liabilities, which is great, but other than that, they have a 2% dividend yield, and their debt to asset is 37%. For everyone who doesn't know what Apple Hospitality REIT is, they're a hospitality REIT. Basically, they have 235 hotels, more than 30,000 guest rooms in 87 markets through 34 states. Companies like the Marriott, the Hilton, the Hyatt, Hilton Gardens, Courtyard, stuff like that. And they are located in quite a bit of the states, 34 states in our country. So yeah, that's a quick little update on this Apple Hospitality REIT, which is a specialized REIT and a residential and commercial REIT. ETF weightings, as you can see, there are ETFs that have this company in their portfolios, and Glad Knight and Justin Knight are the top key players. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I would wait to pull back on this before you buy.